Um, okay, this is Squirrel Stapler that is about hunting squirrels and stapling them. So I don't think I need to explain anything else. Yeah. That's really about it. So I think that's this. We came here to get away from it all so that our love might blossom, but our love, look at my beloved, the flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful like the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Okay. So, we're gonna go hunt some squirrels and tape them to the corpse. Say it, the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple the squirrels. Well, you're about to be freaking disappointed, buddy, because that's my go-to. Okay, that's back to the corpse. Oh, did we switch sections? Because everybody needs to know that we're stapling squirrels now. In 5 days, God is coming. Oh, that's, well, that's alarming. Day 1, it's time to hunt the squirrels. Tip of the day, use the map to default tab to orient yourself. Okay. Let's go find these squirrels. You can run, stay low, use your ears to listen for the squirrels chattering. All right. Oh, I see one. You see it? Oh, it started running because I ran, I think. You see it? Shh. I mean, well, why am I shushing a squirrel? Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? It's over here. Oh my god, did it get... It keeps getting spooked, man. How slow do I have to go? Hello? Where is it? Shh. I mean, why do I keep... I hear him all... Wait, it's right here. Wait, what? Why do they keep getting alerted? What? They're in the trees? I hear them chattering. Bro, what? Where are they? What was that? I'm so confused. How is the map supposed to help me? Where are they, man? I swear I'm being tortured. Why are they so mad? Do I just shoot the trees? I don't see them anymore. Wait. I wish it was an arrow and not just a dot. Okay, there's a red dot over here. Wait, that's just ammo. They're all chirping. I don't get it. Oh, there's one. I just saw it. Did you see it? There it is. What the f— Oh, you can aim. Yes! Get drilled. Come to me. Come to Papa. Good. There's one. Dang it, stop moving. Little varmint. No! It's cornered. Squirrel. Squirrel. What? Yes! Huge shot. Shoot to kill. Nice. Okay, that's 2. We're piped up, baby. Oh, I see another one. Wait, no, that's ammo. Squirrels can sometimes run up to 20 miles per hour. Okay. Double speed. Cool. Health? Why do I need health? What is this? Every day you can commit sins at Shady Shack to boost your score. Commit sins. What? What was that? Okay. I'm sorry I did that. I think. I'm sorry I brought the fact squirrel into the game. Where the heck are these squirrels, man? Energy drink? Ow! That hurts. Wait, I see one. Pumped! Huge. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it now. If you see a squirrel, let me know. Reload? I don't know how. I think you have to. Oh, you have to click to reload. You can't. Who's back here? I want to spook it now. Where did it go? Ah, I see you. Boom! Nothing of note to report. Some marginal abnormalities in readings that went away when I recalibrated. Some odd noises during the night. Probably squirrels. Overall, things are pretty quiet. Probably me getting these squirrels real good. Out here getting these squirrels real good, brother. Deathslinger backstory, true. We finally figured out what he did before he was an inventor. Stapled squirrels. When is this scary stuff happening? I mean, the squirrels are pretty scary. Have you seen them? Excuse me, have you seen them? That's a shack, I think, where I committed sins or something. The squirrels are sparse, though. Okay, nice squirrel fact. Wait. Shh. Oh. It's been alerted to my presence. Where the freak did it go? Hunting you down, sucker. Stop hiding. No! There's another one over there. How close can we get? No! So fast. Squirrel. Dang it! Only sprinted for a second. Wait, there's one. What? That was the cleanest shot I've ever taken in my life. The way you stole that from me. Let's go! Okay, we got 5. Let's get out of here. Let's go. There's enough squirrels. Oh man, we're so far. Where the heck do we go? Alright, let's head back. Double speed. I think I'm heading the right way. Steak and Shake went out of business. Dude, Steak and Shake would be amazing. That's so sad. I don't think this is where I'm supposed to go. It's a radio tower. Wait, is this where I'm supposed to go? Lady, part 1. Once there is a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods, desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved the meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush to paint the hair of the beautiful woman. The artist loved the paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation. As he imagined what it would look, he was then informed that due to a terrible mix-up, the hair was actually come from a wild boar. Sick, man. Okay, that's really cool. That's really cool. Right. Very cool, man. Nice. Dude. Why didn't I think of that? How do I get back to the house? Oh, there's the house in the corner. You got a 5 guys? I think Steak... Wait, hold on. There's Shake Shack and there's Steak and Shake. Have I been to both? I know I've been to Shake Shack. Shake Shack is better than 5 Guys. Is it though? I don't know. 5 Guys is just so expensive. Dude, I'm going this complete wrong way. Okay, that's not helping. Oh man, if you could be a little arrow instead of a freaking yellow dot, that would be a little helpful. Okay, we're definitely heading south now. No, I feel like 5 Guys is just so expensive though. Like right now, if you go to 5 Guys, I feel like no matter where you live, you have to spend like 20 bucks to get like a full meal. Am I wrong? If you get a burger, 2 patties, fixins, with some cheese on it, heaven forbid you go bacon, and then you get a bag of fries with it, you were out. You were gonna be poor. You're gonna be in debt. There's gonna be 5 guys banging down your door. All right, Never Fate, have a good one. You have a compass that tells you where what direction you're heading. Oh, that's so interesting. That's so interesting. That's so cool. That does help, doesn't it? Or like help with a map. I miss taking the ladies to a sock hop and sharing them all. Wait, Samufti, stop dropping your cover. You love Amogus and TikToks. Bonus squirrel? Poison grass do not eat. I didn't know there was a bonus squirrel. Alright, well, you know what the name of the game is. Let's get to stapling, baby. Head on in here. Press the action default left mouse to staple the squirrel. Alright. Time to snooze. Time to snooze. Alright, well that corpse has some squirrels on it now. So... has anything changed in here? The bushy tail is a righteous, all-mother sight. Chattering voice is divine. Should that which be adhered, that which is not divine? By no means. Okay. Something about squirrels. This is game of the Yara. I agree. Ooh, a couple squirrels. 2 squirrels. Already 2 squirrels. And I just need a big squirrel and a couple little squirrels. If you see a squirrel, be sure to let me know. Five Guys is so expensive it makes Gucci look cheap. Every time I roll into the Five Guys with my Gucci slides, my Versace belt, my Fendi slips, I'm like, yeah, give me the double patties with extra bacon. You know what? I'm feeling good today. Give me a milkshake too. Okay, that will be an investment of 30 Bitcoin, sir. Dude, where's the freaking squirrels? Hello? For a game about stapling squirrels, they heckin' are not hanging around that often. Oh, what is that? Where did you go? They're so elusive. Wait, is that a big boy? Or is that just a rock? It's a rock. Ah, dang it. Wait, stop running. Ah. So hard to spot. Okay, there's one over here. No! Woo! Big shots only. Big shots for the big shots, baby. I mean that. Oh, there's a chonker over there. You see big chonker? See big chonky boy? Ooh, 1 shot? That's it? You know we hit those. Hold on. Big chonker was easier to hit than the little guys. Shh, shh. There's 2 over there. It's not gonna give me the shot. I think something's blocking the shot. Doosh! Huge shots. Give me this. That's enough squirrels for today. Let's go. Already done. I'm killing it, baby. Pipe that chonker. Chonker got piped. Dude, my score's going pretty heavy. So yeah. Is this the game though? There's other stuff, right, guys? I'm pretty sure there's other stuff other than the squirrels. East. Okay, welcome back to house. This would be the perfect game for a Bigfoot. Well, there's a big chonker squirrel. Does that count? Hey, welcome back. All right, got some squirrels for you. Ready? Bat, 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 bat. There's the squirrels. All right, well, you're mostly made of squirrels. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead. All right, cool. All right, that was a pretty cool reveal. Well, I don't have skin for you. I have squirrels that I hunted, and I worked really hard for those. Brother, I like the righteous squirrel. The wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with that. I can agree to that. Okay, something was scratching the windows last night. I should look for tracks. Okay. Scratching the windows. These are not normal tracks. Something out there is hunting me. Oh. Well, that sounds cool. But it's not a squirrel? Okay, the rustling is more menacing now. Give me your skin! Wait, I heard the... Don't spook it, don't spook it, don't spook it. Shh, don't spook it. I already got spooked. There's one over there. Need to find some more big chonkers. Wait. No, that's not. The flip is that? The squirrel bear? Wait, can I shoot the squirrel bear? Squirrel bear. Where'd it go? Oh no. Okay. Okay, squirrel bear does not like it. What? It explodes? Vengeful squirrel ghost. Okay, this got more complicated now. It's a little bit more complicated. There's ghosts. And the bear was not cool. Not chill at all. Oh. So far. Huge. There's a freaking bear over there again. I need some health. No, what? What just hurt me? No! Oh, God. This is not good. Ooh! Okay. Dude, squirrel bear. Restart day. Okay. You perished. The perish count's getting kind of high. What's up, Lyoba? How are you doing? Okay, all we have to do is avoid the squirrel bears. Pop a couple squirrels. That was a chonker. I am doing well. Hope you had happy holidays. Where's the freaking squirrels? I'm thinking I see one over here, but I think it's just ammo. Squirrels have urine release valves under their eyes and urinate in each other's faces to communicate. That doesn't sound right. Is that a fact? No, man. Not the ghost of Christmas squirrel. Where the No. No. Why are you screaming at me? Wait, there's one. Woo. Clean shot. Shoot the squirrel. I walk up and say, yo, female, and then pee for my eyes. I'm sure that goes over very well. Not today. Stupid piece of crap. Vengeance squirrel. Where's the real squirrels? Oh. freak did it go? I can't see it. Is that? Where did it go? No, I'm catching up with you. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, we're improving. I just need to find a big chonker. Need a big chunky boy. Woo! Dude, why would you move slow when you can move extra fast? These squirrels are so elusive, man. Do you think we have to... You think we have to kill the squirrel bear? Is that our big chonker this time? It felt like they were like invincible though. Can you jump strafe like you're playing Quake 3? What are these words you're saying, Grandpa? Talk to me about Among Us and Fortnite. I don't understand the words you're saying. Because they're so not chill. I'm not chilling when I'm around you. Sus, thank you. Finally something I understand. With my pea brain and my urine eyes. Should we kill the squirrel bear? I think he just explodes though. You don't have to do this. Okay, dude. Where's the big omega chonker? There. Chonker. Freak. So far. I'm gonna trap him in the corner.
She said you raise me. I tell her only fan him, I only load my skibbity around. I'm sorry.
There we go, Samofti. Thank you for the bits. Now you're talking my language. Skibbity. Dude. Where the heck did he go, though? You're frustrating me, man. This thick squirrel. Curvaceous squirrel. Heard me talking about him. Now you can listen in your grave, bucko. Nice. Good to go. Siobhan, thank you so much for the resub.
Times for the holidays, Grandpa, and thank you for the 3 years of stream bog moments, as the kids would say.
Hope you have great holidays too, Siobhan. Busting a couple caps. No. No. No, we just need to go home. Wait, I'm going north. Oh. He's blocking my home. Okay, it's fine. Siobhan, thank you so much. Appreciate the details. My ass just exploded, sorry. Thank you so much for the tier 2 support as well. Hope you had lovely holidays. I need health. Or to just be home. Heals. I can't. No lore. No lore. Okay, we're almost there. That tree looks very suggestive. That's all I'm saying. Alright, we're back. Sid, why'd you have to say it? Is watching the stream in the bath okay? As long as you don't drop your tablet. Alright, let's staple this, Wait, where'd my squirrels go? What? I worked hard for those. What's happening? What day am I on? I'm on day... Oh. Day 3. There you are. Eat up.
It's okay sometimes your ass explodes, I understand.
American cuisine. It'll do that. I'm hoping for that later tonight. Taco Bell, maybe? Javon, thank you for the bits. Okay, I sleep. Oh, you're back. Good. Glad to have you back.
Subbing because I refuse to let ads ruin this for me.
Grizzly, thank you so much for the sub. Welcome back in. Appreciate you. Don't worry about it though. If that helps, I don't run mid rolls. But I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. In this way, the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherefore, squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters may live, so that lobsters may die. Okay. Okay. Cool. Give me that. Alright, I'm gonna need some cooperation from the squirrels. I'm gonna need you to be hanging out and ready to get shot. What's up, Aloe? Wait. Dang it. Where did that one? That one went up to the freaking sky. They're so hard to spot, man. Wait. No, it's not a chunky boy. Squirrel claws are sharp enough to tear out your eyeballs. I mean, I don't think that's true. I don't think that's true. Spawn the squirrels! Not that one, not that guy. Not that guy. And other squirrels are so elusive, man. There's too many chonky boys out here. Alright, I'm going for the energy. No! Dude, where are these squirrels? There. Big chonker. What? Huge collection. Speed running. Oh no. Help. I made some... They're in the trees now. Double squirrel. No. Can these be killed? Okay, that's not good. Okay, it lost me. Nice. Huge. Okay, we just need a couple more. Have you played D's Nuts? No. What is that? Squirrel Stabler. Oh, that's what we're supposed... Oh. Well, I don't have that game. All I have is... No. Death and destruction for these little peons. Give me that. It's a squirrel. Okay. It's a squirrel. No! Why? Why is he mad at me? Why is he mad at me? I didn't do anything. Hey, where'd the squirrel go? No! Corner it, corner it, corner it. Wait, this is the play, this is the play. What? Execution style. Okay, run! I'm out. This is so much easier than aiming and playing slow. You can kill them, but it's very hard. It probably takes like all your bullets, huh? Corner tech. Speed running. Hello, honey, I'm home. Not in the kitchen this time, huh? You little weirdo. What was this, the lobster thing? Hello, it's your buddy, stapler guy. Bap, 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 bap. You love it. You love it. I couldn't get you your skin back, but I got you some squirrels. Okay, what new things do you have to teach me today? And I say unto you, in those final days, as the grove will bend in agonized worship, that the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion, so the stapler will become the staple. Okay, I didn't know. Who's the nutless man? God is coming today. Oh. It would be cool if he was chill. Alright, nice. Free squirrels. I'm not the nutless man. Don't call me the nutless man. I'm the metal pipe. You're the death slinger. Yeah, this is his side gig. He's the staple guy. Alright, squirrels, whenever you're ready. I'm ready to staple again. Okay. They take so long to spawn, man. Get out of here. Papa's got a rifle for you. Where? Stop running into the trees, you cowards. Dude, the melee shots are where it's at, man. I'm 3 of 5 already. I just gotta find a chonker. Just gotta find one chonker. And our luck will be lucky. Anybody over here? What does this building do? Please disregard previous reports. Everything is quiet. Oh, I read the reports. Isn't there a button for the squirrel call? I have no... Is there? Allegedly, no. I don't think so. Oh, I'm trapped. No, cancel. Menu, escape, done. Resume. It's F? F you. No, that one didn't work. Here, I'll try Q. Nope. Still not working. I don't know what's going on there. I'll probably just uninstall the game. Still not working. I don't get it. Don't get me attacked by the freaking werebear. No! Oh my.
We need a new place on the computer.
Like a website?
Who live by the Assassin's Creed and do the most
I have.
epic
That's
of
so
legendary
random.
behavior.
Yes, I have a
I'm
little
talking
bit.
about a place that's not a website. Not a website.
Over here, biatch. Where's the freaking squirrels? Riles, thank you so much for the resub, though. Appreciate you. Dude, what is going on here? Here's the penis statue. Wait. Dang it. Wait. Where? Going after you. Oh, that was a clean shot, baby. God, you wish you were that good in Valorant. Alright, I'm going up to the wiener statue. Alright, maybe I'll stay down here. No! No! Dang it! Alright, I'm going up to the wiener statue. There's some health down there. That was a good play. That was a good play. Wait. I heard it. Did you hear it over here? Hold on, there's a ghost squirrel. Freaking rocks, idiot. What? From where? Where? God, get over here, man. There it is. Oh, clean shots. No. Does the squirrel call work with the other little squirrels? Ow! I need health. I need health now. Target. No! Don't panic. No! 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 Target! I was in there, baby! Freaking heck. I did not die 19 times. Don't falsify the records. Wiener statue. Okay. If I had more shots, dude, would have been a clean run. No! Okay, dude. You're so annoying. We gotta find more health. I bet you love this sound by now, right? Oh, you're loving it. It's gonna be right over this wiener. Clean. Clean, never missed in my life. Freaking double squirrel, man. We're hecking poggers up in here. What the frick? Oh my god. These are huge plays. Okay, the little itty bitties don't respond to this though. Oh, that's our guy. Who's our little guy? Wait, where'd the little guy go? Oh, I see. I see. I see. Shut up. worth it. Wasn't worth it. Where's the health? I'm panicking. Oh, there's health over here. Okay, whatever. Let's get the squirrel. Oh, I don't remember where I downed it. You idiot. You're the stupidest guy. I don't have any ammo now, too. You're so dumb. No! Stay away from me. I'm admitting that I'm dumb, so you have to leave me alone. Where's the other dot? Ammo! Yes! Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good. Wait, can I leave? Can I leave? I just won't leave, actually. I don't have any health. I need health. Wait, I'm not ready. Wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I need some health. Northwest is health, right? Help. What's the sounds? No, thank you. Okay. Oh, health. Okay, here we go. All right, we should be fine. Okay, we should be fine now. Okay. We won. Okay. We did it. And we stapled. All right, man. We stapled the things. What the flip was that, man? Okay, we did it. We missed some achievements, though. Run it back.